now propose that this House adopts a report of the Select Committee on Appointments on the vetting of the two nominees to the position of the Kisii County Public Service Board Chairperson and Secretary respectively, read on the table today, Tuesday, 20th May, 2025 in the morning sitting. Thank you. It's your time, honourable members, to contribute. Leader Minority.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to support this report because, Mr. Speaker, as you are aware, I'm a member of the Appointments Committee. And Mr. Speaker, for the record, as a committee, we have passed all the appointments that His Excellency the Governor has brought, but he hasn't brought to us back those that he feels have not done well, so that we can be able to support him to send them home, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the chairman of the service board is a very important office. As per the County Government Act, Mr. Speaker, and also the County Service Act, the chairman has security of tenure for 6 years. Mr. Maosa Aaron is a competent, trained teacher, and mostly he's worked as a technical school teacher, and he's even gone to China to seek further training. The last one was in Keroka, and before he retired. He's 61 years old, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it's also worth to note that where you sit, one of the chairpersons, the first chairperson of the board, left that office to come and become our speaker here as the second speaker. So probably next, you never know, Mr. Speaker, what will happen. You never know whether the office can change hands. And when you were vetting this person, we asked him what happens. Can also he aspire to become the speaker like the first one left the office? He said, Mr. Speaker, his job is to serve the people. And he said he wants to give to society. And one of the things, Mr. Speaker, we told him is that this is the big society, the society of the honorable members, the society of the elected and nominated, Mr. Speaker. These are the people he needs to listen to, because they are the ones who represent the people's needs in terms of employment, in terms of discipline. And Mr. Speaker, he seems to be a person who understands, and he has a lot of passion for work. Mr. Speaker, we said we will support him to become the chair, and Mr. Speaker, is coming at a time where the service, the public service of Kisii County is undergoing a lot of transition. There are those that are retiring, Mr. Speaker. We need replacements. There are departments, Mr. Speaker, that do not have enough technical. And Mr. Speaker, for example, the village polytechnics we talking about, this is the person, if we were to fix, he understands the issue of technical training. And Mr. Speaker, also the ECD teachers, we do not have enough. We have lost a number. There are those who have left, Mr. Speaker. And also given the fact that even in the first place, we never had enough. And then, Mr. Speaker, the agriculture department, as we were discussing here the other day on the motions that we raised, Mr. Speaker, we do not have enough extension officers in our departments. So, Mr. Speaker, if we were to change the green economy that Kisii County is, we need an efficient and effective chairman, and we believe Aaron Maosa. And Mr. Speaker, in the Bible, Aaron is the elder brother of Moses, and he was the advocate of Moses. He's the one who negotiated with Pharaoh about the movement of the Israelites from Misri, Mr. Speaker. So we believe that this is also the right time where the transition, which has not fully taken place from the first government to the second, I believe this man can be able to do it, Mr. Speaker. And we also told him he needs to listen more, particularly to the leaders. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, we got the secretary, Mr. Alfred Moreka, Mr. Speaker. Moreka is a young man born in 1982. He's gone to the University of Nairobi, where he studied sociology and political science. Mr. Speaker, that means he understands society. He has also to qualify as a public secretary to the service board. He needs to have one qualification that stands him out to do a certified public secretary. That's a requirement, Mr. Speaker. And it's also good to notice, to take note that he's the second substantive public secretary to join the service board. The first one was Mr. Nyakeri, who came from Moraja's ward, and this is the second one who has come from Honorable Gugu's place. And Mr. Speaker, you can see almost all the chairpersons, none of them has ever come from the other side of this wing, and even the secretary come from Gucha or this. So, Mr. Speaker, when I was telling Honorable Muracha that from our side, the next appointment should come from there, he needs to take note, because equity must not only be done, but must be seen to be done. Mr. Moreka, Mr. Speaker, is a person who has been recruited from within. Mr.
Yes,
Speaker,
the majority. Point of information.
Mr. Speaker, let me complete.
You will continue, just let him inform.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I wanted to inform Honorable Ombachi that the last nominee, Mr. Speaker, before these ones, we passed in this assembly. One, Mr. Arege, comes from Marani Ward, comes from Monyero Ward in Kitutu Chache North, where Honorable Ombachi wants to be the area MP. That is your member. You don't know your members. So, Honorable Mr. Speaker, the governor is balancing his things, and things are in order. What we agreed with Honorable Ombachi, let him see me behind the curtain so that we discuss things. But let him, when he's unanswered and on the media, Mr. Speaker, he should appreciate that the last nominee we passed in this assembly comes from his constituency, one Mr. Arege. Thank you.
Thank you.
For the reason, the chairperson who was there, Mr. Speaker, and a very bright man, of course. The chairperson who was there, Mr. Speaker, comes from Nyaribari, Masaba, and who comes from Nyaribari, Chache, who is now the current deputy governor. And the governor saw it fit that the position belonged to Nyaribari people, and that is why he gave it to Nyaribari, Masaba. And the secretary, Honorable Speaker, this young man who is a very sharp person, comes from Bomachoge, Magenche Ward, and he saw it fit that if he has acted, Mr. Speaker, and he has performed, confirm him. And this is what we are doing, Honorable Ombachi. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Just 1 minute, leader minority, so that other people can contribute. Remember that you are in the committee of appointment, so nothing much. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, it's also good to note that I'm the leader of minority, that I require time.
Leader, that's why I've addressed you, leader of minority.
The issues you have allowed the honorable leader of majority to raise are the same he raised when he was moving the motion. Mr. Speaker, when we read these matters, we do them for the good of this county. Mr. Speaker, I was saying that it is good that the governor has appointed, recruited from within the staff that is working. Mr. Speaker, we have a lot of competent members of staff who can do a lot of job. So, Mr. Speaker, going forward, any of these positions, Mr. Speaker, let the government recruit directors and so that when we promote like this young man who has been promoted from within, it gives a lot of morale to the staff that are working. because every person, Mr. Speaker, wants to aspire to grow. And I want to inform the leader of majority that my aspiration is to become the governor of this county, not to become the member of parliament. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I support.
Thank you, Honorable Wali.